infrastructure should be built. Proper attention, good implementation, good execution of jobs. People should be taught. Our government should at least give attention to Etiti Community.
I don't care. Siam. Nekuya. Okay. Go baby. Onye sobu. Go ma. Okwolo. Yaga. Onye sobu. Ikenere. Okwolo. She don't care. Onye sobu. The village champion. Okwolo. Shake baby. Onye sobu. Onye mpahe. Okwolo. Ikatigo kweya. Onye sobu. Ngo baby. Okwolo. If you talk about fight, she know there.
What is your problem now? What a nonsensical of no nonsense. Only that fool. Don't you have eyes? You want to hit this my beautiful legs? My mother has scattered yaka. Idiot! A black demon, black mamba snake. Look at his face. Come on, get out of my face. I said get out. Come on, get out. Idiot! Nonsensical of no nonsense. Useless thing. Want to spoil my star. Nonsense, rubbish. Call him. I don't care. When I shake it. Call him. I don't care. When I shake it.
Okay, super Gia, one time. Onion super. Onion super. Usu. Hey. Watanama. Ngozi baby. Onion sobu. Lenu. Okwolo kajuru ya ruwe. Onion super. Yaga. Oyi. Onye sobu. Okwolo ka.
Who is there? Hey, Amy.
How may I help you?
You don't have to talk like this now. Is this how you welcome your friend?
Friend, you said? Since when did we become friends? Since when?
Amy, we are not enemies. So, we are friends, right?
Ngozi, let's cut this argument, okay? If you don't have anything to say, better go and let me go back and sleep my sleep because I've not slept since last night.
Oh, I'm aware of all that. And that was why I took my precious time, my special time, to prepare this sweet Obiago rice for you. Very delicious. Amy, just eat it.
Mr. Postman. Is that a letter from our Adako?
Yes, Your Highness.
Ah, good. Give it to the prince.
Prince, you have a position to sign here. That's it. Iwe.
Have a safe trip back.
Thank you, sir. Father, should I read it?
Not yet. I want to summon all the elders so that we can enjoy the information together.
Okay, that's good.
So, you will summon all the elders to come to the palace immediately. Okay? Go now.
Oh, Dios, very sweet rice. You love it.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you, good woman.
You're late.
My love, I'm sorry. No, I don't like to offend you. I'm so sorry. I have to clean the house. You know the way my father behaves now. I have to clean the house and do everything before coming to see you.
You're welcome. Oh.
You can take this poison. You can take it back, you know.
Come on,
I
shut up.
real food for my darling. Me daddy.
Idiot. That's why your clothes keep tearing. Yaga, yaga, yaga. Look at you. It's fun and it's smelling. Take good care of yourself. Amy, be good in here. Be good here. As in, rice so far. You will not remain the same. I'm telling you. As for you, we are not of the same level. I just want you to understand that simple fact. What a good year.
Oh, yeah. No, you are right. God, baby. You are right. We are not on the same level. We can never be, Pano. But not where this my Amy is. Daddy mo, you like where you are.
Not where he is, eh? If you mistakenly pour this food, imagine how I will scatter yaga yaga yaga. I am telling you, if you try to face it, you will hate your life.
Haven't I warned you to stop coming to this house and you refuse? So you have the guts to fight her?
Your sweet tomato.
Okay, wait. You want me to eat your food, eh? I'll eat.
Amy, are you sure?
Yes, I'll eat.
Amy, please eat.
I'll eat, yeah?
Sorry now. Leave her alone. Onyala.
Can you imagine?
Rabia.
Is it by force?
Hey, Rabia. Hey, my love. Ozugo, Daddy Ozugo, come and eat. Come and eat this beautiful food I cook for you. Sorry, ma. Kaiga.
Try it next time.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mama Ndalo.
Henna, how are you?
Fine. I have a letter for you.
Letter?
Yes, it's from your daughter Adak.
Hey, Adak, hey, how is she?
She's very fine. The last time she came to our office, she's looking so beautiful.
Oh, hey, Daluso.
Let me deliver letter to Mazu Kono.
Hey,
thank you.
Daluso.
All right.
Oh,
all right.
Bye. Hey, who will go and call Emeka for me? Hi, I need to go myself. Let me pack this thing. When I come back, I continue the cooking. Hey, Emeka did this to me. Emeka did this to me because of that girl in here, the cashier bara catapult. That girl with that mumu face, that off. Emeka had the guts to do this kind of thing to me. Anyway, there's no problem. There's no problem. He will mean Ngozi. Ngozi the sharp girl, the come on. Ogini, what are you looking at? Become, get out of my face.
When I saw you the other time, from inside you look so responsible, despite your reactions. And now you are here foaming your face. It doesn't really fit you. Can you exactly tell me what is your problem? Let me know how to help.
Come on, get out! Get away! Useless human being. May Amaju has scattered you. Yaka. I'm needing your help. Rubbish, useless, black man, that snake. Idiots.
I am proud of my color. Every person needs help in this world. Just tell me what is the problem. Postmen normally give advice, and the advice is very, very productive.
You post Wonwegi. Do I need any letter from you? Come on, get out of this place. You don't want to go. Okay, try it.
Ozokwa.
Rubbish! Useless! Oh! Nonsensical of no nonsense! Aye! Let go to the sharp. Can this black mamba snake? Let go to this postman magic when he can be. Have the guts to talk to me. Emeka, I shall not be well with you.
Which kind of human being with this one? Hey! Chineke plan wajo ke udru manu diva. God forbid. What be her name? Ngozi. If he be Kubasino's sister.
It's because of you I'm receiving this useless insult from this ugly postman. Oh, hey, Jesus. Oh. Anyway, there is no problem. Kalelem, I don't care. Good morning, shaky. Rubbish people, nonsense. Let me just go my way. Kalelem, I don't care. Morning, shaky. Kalelem, I don't care. Morning, shaky.
My elders, I greet you once again. Well, our people usually say that the fowl that belongs to the whole community will never starve. Okay, so Gwenu. Okoko ade oha wewere. Agade. Well, I summoned you all here so that we can enjoy the information coming from a letter that was written and sent by our daughter Dako. So I didn't want to enjoy the information alone.
Your Highness, you did very well. But you should have gone ahead to act on the letter than waiting for all of us. We believe that whatever you see, we have seen.
Ichiokano, you did speak very well, but Igwe also did very well to wait for us. So since we are here already, let us hear what the letter says.
Okay. My son, please, can you read the letter?
Okay. I read. Greetings to you, my king, my father, the source of my strength, and to you, my elders, greetings. When I look at you all, I feel like I'm most blessed because I have so many fathers in my life who are always there to encourage me to work harder.
Emeka.
Oh yeah?
Emeka, biko bia o.
Hey, Mama, you're welcome. I'm fine.
Biko, the postman brought this letter. It's from Adako. Please help me read it for me.
Okay. Mama, the letter is not only for you. It's for the palace. Let's go to the palace so I'll read it there. Okay. Hold on, come here. Let's go. Igwe,
This woman brought this letter to my house. She asked me to help her read the letter. But when I was about to read, I opened the letter. I noticed that the content of the letter is for the palace. So I said, let me come and show you. Take your permission to read the letter.
Oh, go ahead and read it.
Igor, the letter says,
ezigbo nwa.
Nani? Hey!
We have a graduate.
Hey! Okonwam.
Hey!
The people of Etiti, listen up. The Igwe wants everybody to come to the palace tomorrow for an important discussion. Honoro, Koribeya. The people of Etiti, listen up. The Igwe wants everybody to come to the palace tomorrow for an important discussion. Honoro, Kolibeya. The people of Etiti, listen up. The Igwe wants everybody to come to the palace tomorrow for an important discussion. Honoro, Kolibeya. The people of Etiti, listen up. The Igwe wants everybody to come to the palace for an important discussion. Honoro, Kolibeya. The people of Etiti, listen up. The Igwe wants everybody to come to the palace tomorrow for an important discussion. Honoro, Kolibeya. The people of Etiti, listen up. The Igwe wants everybody to come to the palace tomorrow for an important discussion. Honoro, Kolibeya.
I don't care. Siam. Nekuya. Okay. Go baby. Onye sowu. Ikenere. She don't care. The village champion. Shaki baby. Onye mpahe. Ikati go kwaya. Ngo baby. If you talk about fight, yo, she know they use and play. Okay, Negia, kiss it, Choya. loves to shake you. I say she loves to shake you.
Amy, my father said I should ask you if you have any meat for sale. If you have, you can take it immediately to our house. He's there waiting for you. What is funny?
I can see that beating has put some sense into you.
I've passed the message.
If you give me your heart, you go sweet me sugar cane.
You like
give me your love, you go so great me, you go sweet me. Don't forget
I thought you were supposed to sell that meat. Why bring it home?
That meat? I will not sell that one. It is for you and your father.
Hey, my caring husband. Hey, this is why I want to marry you. Thank you. But you will sell that meat. Yesterday you were complaining that you need money. Sell this meat. So that you use it to raise money and take good care of yourself. You go?
I know I need money, but that meat, I am not going to sell it. It's been a while I gave you meat.
Yeah. Thank you. But you will sell that meat. Take that meat to him. You know he pays well. Take it to him, he will buy it.
I met her daughter on my way home. She told me that her father needs meat. But still, I'm not going to sell it. I still want you to have that one. Yes.
My love.
It's for you.
You're going to sell that meat. When we finish eating, take it to him. Take it to him.
Okay. Your wish is my command.
Let's eat. You've forgotten table manners. You've forgotten table manners.
Look at who is talking about table manners.
I made it specially for you.
Hi.
You like it?
Use a manga guri.
Especially for you.
I thought you said it's for me and you're dragging the meat with me. I thought you said it's for me. Now what for you?
Hi.
No. Anybody home? No. You know where?
Who is that?
Ngozi. Is your father in?
He's not in, but I'm around.
The meat
Okay, so you are the man that has been terrorizing guests in this community.
How? How?
You have the hand to touch me. Beat him very well. Kill him. Strangle him. PJ Olu. Onyala. Beat him. Teba. Kill him. Rapist. He came to my house to rape me. Hey, look at me. Kill him.
What is his crime? Why did they beat him like this?
Igwe, we were passing by Onobu's house when we heard the female voice crying. So we got in to see what was happening. And to our greatest surprise, we found Emeka forcing himself on Ngozi.
What? People don't mind them. I did not do anything. I was only going to sell
my bushmeat to Ono. And Ngozi told me that the father said that
Eh? Oh. So, the guards are lying. Even my daughter who is here is equally lying.
Don't mind him.
Eh? I hope you did not enter the Opio.
I came to Opio. It was the royal guards that helped me.
Okay, my daughter crying. Okay? Oh no, please take her home and comfort her. And check her very well.
I will. But this he-goat must not go unpunished.
Yeah, I know.
He needs swollen scrotum. Don't go and get long sleeve. He long sleeve.
Oh no, it's okay. I know. Let's guards, take him to the palace cell.
Stand up.
Take him to the palace cell. Take very good care of that girl.
Emeka, where are you? Where are you? Please come back to me. Come back to me, please. Just come back to me. Let me see you before my father will come back, please. Emeka, where are you? Oh, my Lord. Oh, Emeka, where are you? God. God. Emeka, where are you? Please come back to me, my love. Come back to me. Just come back. Let me see you before my father comes back, please.
People of Etiti land, I greet you. I greet you all. I have gathered you all here to give you some news. One is very good news, and the other is not very good. But I will start with the good news first. You all remember our daughter Adako? Yes. The one we contributed money and sent to the university. I'm glad to announce to you that Adako conquered the university wall.
Among all her colleagues in the school, she had the best result. And again, Adako is coming home.
Etiti Community! Well, the not so good news. You can see for yourself, Emeka seated here. My guards were taking a walk around the community when they found Emeka trying to force himself on the Onowo's daughter Ngozi. Is it by force to sleep with a woman? This is an abomination. And according to the tradition of our land about such crime, the person involved should be ostracized. Therefore, with the powers conferred on me by the tradition and elders and the ancestors of our land, as the Igwe of Etiti land, I hereby ostracize Emeka. Yes! He will not eat or drink with anybody in this community. Yes. Anybody found mixing with him shall also be ostracized. I have spoken. Guards, take him out.
Come back here.
Very sweet something. I don't care. 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 Chai! You don't have him, and I don't have him. Who is now the winner? That is the winner! You know you are a fool. Ngozi, you are a fool. How can a woman be so shameless? You set him up. You set him up because he refused to give in to your lust. God will punish you. Hey! God will punish you. Now Majo has scattered your face. Look at how you're crying. Rubbish. Hey, Demi Hukamumu. Unyala. Oh, shut up your mouth there. Yes. I set him up. What can you or anyone in this village do about it? What can you do about it? You see, the way you're crying, this thing is sweeting me. God will punish you. It will give me greater joy to see him beg for death. He will not. Death will refuse him. He will not beg. He will beg. He will not beg. He must beg. He will not beg. He must beg. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care.
Ugochi. Ugochi, don't tell me you are whipping for that bastard. That bastard that cannot control that little thing between his thighs.
But please. But please help him, please. But he's innocent. I know Emeka. Yes. Papa, please don't allow him to suffer for what he did not do. Nambiko.
I know. I know this is what you are going to say. Innocent. He is innocent. But it was in your very presence that the two palace guards testified against him that they caught him red-handed in the very act. But the stupid love you feel for him blinded you that you cannot see the truth. Ugochi.
I know what they said. I know, Papa. See, I saw Ngozi. Yes, and she told me that she set him up. She did that because Emeka chose me over her.
It's okay.
But you have to believe me in that before.
Oh, yeah, Meguro?
Yes! Yes!
Ugochi, wake up. Ugochi, wake up and face the reality of the fact that Emeka is a bastard, a he-goat. A he-goat that cannot put himself under control. And the daughter of Ichiokono cannot sit down and watch my own daughter associate with that. Okay. Are you hearing me?
Stop
what?
Come back here. Please, yeah? Ugochi, where are you going to? Come back here. Ugochi, come back here. Ugochi, come back here. There's no problem. Ugochi! Ugochi!
Please stop crying, my love. Please. I know you can never stoop so low for that pig. I know.
That means you believe me?
Oh, I've never doubted you. I know the man I fell in love with. I know you can never do that. I'm just so hurt. Why would she choose you over all the men in this village? Why you? It's okay.
Make love to me. Make love to me and I'll make all your sufferings disappear. It's just a small thing. Small thing. All I need to do is just to tell you no, my father. And he will influence the king to lift your punishment. Do you understand? Just do it. Make love. Rubbish. Do your worst. Do your worst. Beat me. Touch me now and see they will not bury you alive today. Useless, barbaric, a cake, useless, idiot! Nonsensical of no nonsense! In a cake of puff. You are not fine, let me tell you. Very ugly human being. Because I'm telling you to make love to me. Nonsense! Nonsensical of no nonsense! Rubbish! Hey, hey, I don't care. Shake it. Touch me now. You can't touch me again. I don't care. Shake it. Nonsensical. Try me next time and see what I will do to you. Rubbish. I don't care. Shake. Shake. Nonsensical! Hey, I don't care. They go do money shake. I don't care. They go do money shake. I don't care. They go do money shake. Nonsensical! No nonsense! I am the winner! I don't care. They go do money shake. Winner! I am the winner!
Yes, my elders, I called you together to know how far you've gone with the arrangements for tomorrow. You know our first ever graduate of Etiti land is returning home. And the best must be ready for her.
Igwe, I have contacted Okikeda's group. They will wait for her arrival.
You're a good woman. And you deserve a better life. I don't want anything to happen to you. I don't want you to share in my fate.
Stop it! You know that is not possible. I can't live my life without you in it.
She knows we're seeing.
Who knows?
Ngozi. She knows we're seeing each other.
Why were you so sad earlier on today?
Am I not supposed to be sad? Eh? Tell me, why wouldn't I be sad? She came back, I was not there to see her with others. Every month I paid my levy to see her through school days. And now she has become the first ever graduate in Etiti Community.
I understand how you feel. I understand. But I want you to be grateful. Be grateful that she went and came back successfully for what we sent her for.
Yes, so yes, she said so. She said that amongst all the doctors that graduated this year in this country, she came first.
Hey! I will not doubt her. Eh? I won't doubt her. Let's be happy for that now. And now, it was now. It was now. Let me go and see what I will prepare for you.
I don't care. Lekwa money shake it. 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 I should have thought of this earlier now. Hey! I knew it.
today will be the perfect day for them to be together without anyone seeing them. Hey! Hey! Kissy come see Chef Odinya, eh? Oh, I should have thought of this earlier now. That girl. Let me just go and see. Let me go and see. I'm so tired. Okay. I am more
That's
than
what
happy. Oh God, I danced my heart out today. I can't remember when last I did that.
Hey.
Oh my gosh. So finally I am home.
Yeah, here we are. I know you must be very tired after the whole excitement. So I will leave you to rest. Tomorrow I'll come and see how you're doing.
Okay, that'll be nice. Thanks for having me though.
My prince. Go well, my prince.
Oh, my prince.
Eh? I hope you still have the stomach to eat all the other soup that I prepared for you after everything you ate at the palace.
Mama, you prepared oral soup actually for me?
Yes, it's no longer my daughter's favorite.
Mama, gosh, I can't wait to eat that. Do you know how long I've been yearning for that?
I know.
Yeah.
But first of all, let me take your bag inside.
Mama, maybe I will take it in.
No, let me do that.
Mama, stop! Stop, Mama.
Stop change.
Uye buko wambenye akwagaranya wambenye ona kwala kwawo wambenye kwase yalio ikwase yale ni pazo kaimalo ninu kasimao. Who's after you? Who is after you?
Nobody. Good afternoon, sir. Please, I want to beg you. I want to beg you to warn your daughter to stay away from Emeka.
My daughter?
Yes. We all know what happens to anyone seen with an ostracized person.
Wait. Are you telling me that my daughter is still seeing that he goat?
Ofuma, as we speak now, she is at his place.
It's a lie.
Honey,
Abomination.
I don't know how to lie.
It's impossible. My own daughter.
Ofuma.
Emeka. My daughter in his place. Abomination. I will not only circumcise Emeka, I will castrate him so that from now on,
Ofuma. Move on.
I am going to castrate him. So I am going to castrate and circumcise Emeka.
Move on. I have done it. Yaga. I have done it. It's me, Ngozi, the daughter of Ozodimba. Nonsensical of no nonsense. Hey! Ikalalem. I don't care. Ukum negodi mane sheki. Ikalalem. I don't.
Where is she? Huh? Emeka, where is my daughter? Emeka, where is my daughter? Emeka, where is my daughter? Am I joking?
Nah, I greet you.
And may the cross forbid I have a son like you. Emeka, go inside and bring out my daughter. I don't want to warn you again. If you allow me to bring myself, I will use this walking stick on you judiciously. If you allow me warn you again, I will not only use this walking stick on you, I will equally circumcise you and castrate you. So that from now on, if you
Now, if you're sure she's here, why don't you go in and fetch her yourself?
Eh? Emeka, are you talking to me in that manner? I should go inside and fetch her myself. Over my own daughter?
Yes. Go in and fetch her yourself. Or are you scared of being treated the same way like me? You don't want people to see you going in and coming in and out of my house? Eh? Naipiko, please, I beg you. Allow me to face what is upon me. I don't want more trouble. Please, please, I beg you.
Emeka, Nonogi. Emeka. Emeka, if you don't bring out my daughter now, Emeka, me. Emeka, wait for me, I'm coming back. Emeka, wait for me. Wait for me, I am coming back. You have the guts to talk nonsense back at me over my own daughter, Emeka. I am going to castrate you and circumcise you. Call your baby Yehovah. Come here, Brage. If Yehovah,
Papa, I'm not going anywhere.
Eh?
Papa, I'm not going anywhere.
But you are only making noise. You are just making noise because you know what I will do to you. Should you try to resist me? We're going to move now. I must get you to go. Move.
Papa, please don't take me there. Papa, I don't want to leave Emeka. I don't want to leave him to suffer. Papa, please.
May the cross pull your tongue into your mouth, into your stomach for uttering that nonsense before me. Ugochi, move.
I'm not going anywhere.
Ugochi, move.
Oh, I'm not going anywhere.
I say move.
Anywhere, but I'm not going anywhere.
Ugochi, move.
Oh, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Ugochi.
Oh, I'm not going anywhere.
Move.
I'm not going anywhere.
Ugochi. Ugochi, move.
I'm not going anywhere.
Ugochi, no, you're tempting me, Ugochi. Move.
Hi, Armani.
Ah, Mama, good morning.
Good morning.
How was your
dear.
sleep?
It was fine, my dear. You should have rested than to wake up this early and start sleeping. I should have done it.
Mama, how could you? No, I can't be here and you be sleeping. Besides, it's no more early. This is some minutes past 9.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Past 9?
Yes.
That means I overslept now.
You did, Mama.
Hey.
You know, I didn't want to disturb you at all, coupled with the fact that you were so busy yesterday, so I wanted you to sleep like a baby.
I know.
Besides, you know we would have visitors today.
I expected you to do the same now.
Thank you.
Eh?
I need you
At least after a very long journey.
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, my friends. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama. So you still know how to do things like this?
Of course I know how to do things like this. How can I ever forget?
I can't forget my roots, no.
I guess I'll leave you people. I want to go inside.
Okay, Mama.
When you're done, you call me.
So why are you here so early?
I want to be the first to see your beautiful face this morning.
Yeah, right. You could be, but my mom was the first.
My father asked me to come and tell you that he and the elders are waiting for you in the palace.
Oh my God, I forgot. God, I had a meeting with the palace today by 9.
It's all right.
Wow.
Just go and
okay. No, it's...
Mama, I will slap you.
Where the prince not
Ugochi. Ugochi.
Papa!
I'll break your hand. My prince, the greatest doctor of our time. I greet you all.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, Uche. Are you people traveling?
No, not really. I just want to take her to the maternal home, Ikunne at Umueke. Yes.
Okay. That means you're not going to be at the meeting today?
No, I will surely come to the meeting, just that I will be a little bit late.
It's okay.
My doctor, the greatest doctor of our time, Onaboshibi Kirambugu is using a bevru. I hope you slept well last night.
I did.
Very good.
I did. You? How come? I didn't see you in the palace yesterday.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She was busy.
Oh, sorry, I was busy. Let me follow you to... Papa?
No, you will go, but let us get to Ikunne. My prince, we should be on our way now, so that I don't come back late to the meeting.
Okay. It's all right then.
What?
It's okay. Yeah. You people should go well.
Okay, Papa. Papa!
What's going on there?
She put your bag.
I don't know.
I don't...
The elders are waiting for you. You don't want to go for meeting. Go for meeting, Papa. Come in here. You want to go anywhere. I want to go anywhere. I want to go. This Lord does not want you to go. Papa, go for meeting. Go for meeting. Check the meeting. Go for meeting.
Meeting me one.
Whether he likes it or not, he will go.
So, my daughter, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Now, tell us what you mean by the government wants you to remain after your service. Please explain to us so that we can have better understanding.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You know, after your support and prayers, and my hard work as well, I was able to graduate from school with a first-class degree in medicine. So, after my service, the government wanted me to start work with them immediately. But I was like, no, that I just had to refer back to my father's. So that's exactly what I'm here to do.
Adako, our daughter, you are welcome. No.
Thank you.
You did well by telling them that you want to hear from your fathers. You are welcome, our daughter. Actually, you know very well that we suffered to train you. Our reason for doing that, to attract development to our land.
Exactly.
The government neglected neglected us, which is not good. So we are trying our best to see what we can do so that they can remember us. Now they have said they are going to employ you to work with them. Yes. Go back and tell them that that same hospital they want you to work. Let them come and do this for us.
We have enough land.
Yes. Enough land. I can even donate my own land.
Thank you very much, Father Ono. I'll do just that. I would let them know and see what they have to say about it. Like I said in my letter, you all are my will. I cannot do anything without your consent. Never. Sure.
That's good. My daughter, another thing. Remember the promise you made to us that you, after your school, you will come back here and choose a man to marry from this land.
Yes.
Well, my fathers, I have not forgotten that at all. Not at all. Anytime I'm being called upon to choose my husband, why not? I will do that.
In that case, I will summon the Ezemo and then we ask him to fix a date. A true daughter of the land. Son, I do not understand what you mean by I am being unfair to you.
Tell me, Father, what is it you don't understand? You are the king of this land, and I am the heir to your throne. So I deserve the best of everything. But to you, Father, it's a no. I must compete with other commoners before I get anything I want in this land.
If I understand you well, son, you want me to use my powers as the Igwe to make Adako your wife, right?
Yes, Father. Father, if there is anyone that is supposed to marry Adako, that person should be me. Me, your son, Father.
It is a no from me. I will not do what you want. You must understand that Adako is a product of the entire community, and every eligible son of this land has the right to contest for her hands in marriage. Get that into your head, son.
This is why mother left you. And I have never for once blamed her, but you.
My husband, you surprised me a lot by your decision concerning the matters that concern our son. For crying out loud, he is the prince. He is your son, the heir to the throne of our forefathers.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
What I am saying is that if anybody should be sent to the university, it should be Obiora, our son. Not for him to contest it with any sort of person in this community.
Now listen to me, woman. When the elders agreed to send somebody to the university who will represent our community in the future, they said somebody, not my son in particular. Oh yes, so the planned contest will go on as planned. If Obiora, our son, wins, fine. But the will of the people must be maintained. Period.
I say, let Obiora not win this competition.
My own will prevail. No, where I am going! I am going!
No.
I am going! Let me go!
Listen to me.
I am going! I am going! Let me go!
Hold on! What is all this? Please! Who are you going to leave Obiora for? Obiora is still a small boy. He cannot stay by himself. Please, Lolo, understand me.
Oh, I should stay, you said?
Obiora is your son. Please, stay with him. He needs you now more than ever before. And more than any other thing. You cannot leave him.
You lie. You did what the elders wanted. An ordinary shoemender. Now we won the contest. You call it the will of the gods? Okay, good. Now I am doing my own will. Let me be. Let me go.
Don't go, Lolo.
Let me go.
No, I am the king.
Go.
The orders of the king
Let me go.
obey. I'm sorry, son. I cannot do what you want. In future, you will understand why I made this decision.
So like I told you, the competition is going to be wonderful. I'm going to make sure that if it is dance, I'm going to be the best dancer. If it's wrestling,
Jonah, you know, you have been my very good friend in this village.
yeah.
You know me now. You know what I can do. That will just Zoegu that day.
Well, I know that day is going to be so wonderful. You see, that day I will ensure that. Yeah. Don't tell me this figure is going to our stream to fetch water.
Okay, me.
Yeah, okay.
Ah. Jonah, Ibe. Jonah, please. Permit me to go and fetch this 1 gallon at least, please.
Permit what? Permit what? You're very stupid for thinking it can be possible.
Ibe.
My friend, get out of here before we change our mind towards you.
Even you is talking to me like this, Ibe. Ibe, remember oh?
Remember what? Mama!
Son, I'm sorry I cannot do what you want, but I can help you achieve what you desire. Tell me, how much have you heard about familiarity being able to influence? You need to get close to her. Show her that you care. Tell her that you love her. And show it. Believe me, on that day, she will choose you above every other person. Mark my words, son.
No. Stella, no, the thing is, this is the only place I can get network. Yeah, that's why. But I saw your text though. Why did you send for me? Stella, I know I can do it, but for real, I can't make it to Enugu tomorrow. I can't. Because I've not finished what I'm doing here. Can't you guys look for someone else to do it? Why me? Are you serious? Stella. Oh, Stella.
What is going on?
Oh gosh, I'm just freaking out. For real. It was my classmate Stella that called me.
It's alright. Your mother told me that I'll find you here. She said you spend most of your day here.
Oh, she can say that again and again. This is the only place I can get network to make my calls and chat, you know. So, what brings you here? Did Igwe send for me?
No, I came on my own. Oh. I believe you must be feeling very lonely in this village, so I decided to come and show you around. That is, if you wouldn't mind.
Oh, that's so sweet. Of course I don't mind. Really, I need to see a whole lot of places, for real, because I've missed a lot. You know, the most important thing to me is my friends. I just don't know why they keep running away from me. Nobody wants to be seen close to me. I don't know why. It's as if they see me as a foreigner.
I guess so too. Let me show you around
That's
anyway.
So funny though.
Okay.
I hope I don't get another call. But why is it so hard to get network here?
Village.
I know.
So maybe when you go back to the city, you enjoy your social life.
I know.
But meanwhile, I'll show you around there.
Okay. Hey! Will you stop? Stop! Will you stop that? Kill him for what? What has he done? My goodness, what is going on here? What has he done to be subjected to this kind of treatment?
Nothing. I did not steal anything or nothing. No, I did not do anything.
He's an outcast. Instead of him to serve his punishment alone, he's resolving food from little children.
Ostracized? At this day and age? Really? What's the meaning of this? Why will he be subjected to this kind of treatment as if he's a thief? What did he steal?
Adako, you don't have to stop them from beating him. He's an outcast, and whoever is seen helping him will also be treated as one.
Oh my goodness. My prince. This is barbaric, for crying out loud. At this day and age. They should go with the change, and this village for once should go with it. What is this? Get up, get up, get up! Will you guys stop? Get up! Up, 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 up! Oh my God, sorry. Sorry. What? Sorry. Sorry. Can you imagine? Let's go. Sorry. Will you? Sorry. Sorry.
Thank you.
Each and every one of them behaving like animals.
Maybe they are.
I can't believe this. I'm so sorry. Look at your body.
Yes. If they are animals, that's why I'm a hunter.
Sorry. You want me to help you with this?
Thank you.
I
It will hurt you.
Sorry.
Please, is here Etiti Village?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for one Miss Onny Michael. She just came back from her national youth service. Okay. Yeah.
The place is not far.
All right.
Okay. I think that's it. Yeah, just leave it to be now. So just wait here while I get you something to eat.
Okay.
Adako,
yeah.
My father and the elders will not be happy with you on what you're doing. You have done enough for this man, so please, let him go.
The prince is right. Thank you for saving my life.
I said wait here while I get you something to eat. Tell the Igwe and the elders that we no longer live in a stone age. This is a new generation. If he has done something wrong or if he is guilty of anything, he should be handed to the police. And not just enforcing laws in your hands and treating him as if he's an animal. He's a human being. So he should be treated as one.
This is our tradition. Things may have changed, but our tradition remains the same.
Traditions, for crying out loud, were enforced by men. No, what are you doing? And they change with the changes in the society. Who's that? I'm not expecting anyone. Wow, my goodness! Dr. Pascal! Wow, look who we have here!
Oh, how are you?
Wow!
Always looking good.
What did it have for you to look at this place?
I have to. I have to.
Welcome.
Good afternoon.
Oh, do make yourself comfortable, right?
So
Sit. I'll be right back.
How are you?
Good. What's the problem? It's barbaric people. Very barbaric.
See, I still don't understand the reason why Adako should help that he goat. Knowing fully well that the guy is an outcast. Eh?
Me too.